Muta, I say Muta Africa when I go there. The man they can go to Africa because they have them dollars. If you go there, you're dead for hungry. Never nobody fool you.
Put it on social media.
Yeah, man. You have to go to England to go to Africa, you know, sister. You can't live to go to Africa.
I have pass England to go Africa.
You know what kind of money plane ticket it costs if you go to Africa? Eh? You know what kind of money it costs if you go to Africa? And no matter about them want to go to Africa and then buy chicken back.
Rita Marley never born in Jamaica.
Born here, she come here small.
Google it on your phone if you can do that.
Ask anybody, she don't born here.
Rita is not Jamaican, big man. You see, you learn something where you didn't know.
Come here as a child.
Come here when she was a child. Eh? Me not hear, no, she's not African. Either.
I was saying she's an African.
No, she's not African.
She's a Cuban.
She born in Cuba, but she come when she's a little girl.
Little that picnic. I'm good.
Never know that. So, why them not like Jamaicans?
Bob Marley come from
You want me to... You want me to tell you why Africans don't like Jamaicans? Let me tell you why they don't like Jamaicans. Listen carefully, and I'll give you this now. And put it in your phone. Africans, if you notice Africans' last name, what their last name is? You don't know? Me, I'll tell you then. Abdul and Mohammed. Them don't have no Simit or no Jones or no this or that. Them say we have the slavery name, the white man name. So you can make a note of that. That's why them are like we, and them thinks that them slicker than we. African thinks that them slicker than we, you know. In case you don't know, you know. And them can't slicker than we. And that's because we don't use this. Take it from me. If you ever listen, if you check out 1 million African, see if them have any Williams or Simit or Brown or John or Ray. Abdul, Mohammed, and them last name. Not a for them name, them carry them tradition. Them say we carry the white man last name. Williams and Brown and Simit and Ray Ray. So them not like we because they think so them slicker than we. I tell you that. Big man. We travel Germany, England, America, Canada, and Africa. Those are the countries we know. No boy can't tell me no foolish. Then if you go to Germany, what do you think them drive a taxi at Germany? Oh, you don't know? Oh, BMW and Benz, and that them drive a taxi in Germany. BMW and Benz, them drive a taxi, because them make them. You see me? Them now know HD wagon and all them shit there. And them they carry them drive the taxi. Germany. Exactly, that me I tell you. I them on a taxi, big man. Yes sir, yes sir. And them carry them drive the taxi. And them make them on BMW and German and Volvos and them things that them and that them drive the taxi.
Yeah, drive the taxi.
Yeah. And he carry drive the taxi.
So you said you spent 2 weeks.
Himself never knows a return to Jamaica. Himself didn't know. No, himself didn't know.
You know, now do.
And that man just tell him.
A man who travel them places, I tell you. I just know, man. I never know. Hey, man. I grew up, I never know. I think the retard Jamaica.
Most Jamaicans don't know that. Most Jamaicans don't know the retard of Jamaica. You know. Most Jamaicans doesn't know that. So it wouldn't strange if you don't know. A lot of Jamaicans don't know that. You don't know.
But we have as a Jamaican.
Why you don't know somebody? If you, they each one teach one, man. If you notice, look for Marcia Griffith. When she and the high trees were singing her, if you notice her voice you hear, you know. If you notice a fear voice you hear, you know. And she can't, now she carry, no young girl can't test her on stage. Marcia Griffiths, no young girl can't test her on stage, you know. She kill you with legs. Which Rita? I know that. But me I tell him say when them a sing, a fear voice you hear, that's why she carry the thing all now. Anyway she go, she mash it up, you know. You don't know that? Anyway Marcia go, she tear it down.
No.
And if you see her, look how she look fresh and king. And Rita look like your granny.
Yes.
Rita look like your granny. And Marcia fresh.
Marcia fresh, yeah.
Marcia fresh.
The blessing upon her, man. If you ever see her boss dance, if you see Rita boss, I think it's a 16-year-old a dance. If you see Marcia Griffith dance. Any stage show she hold, she not see up that.
The woman just sound like a little bit.
You better believe it. Believe it.
Yeah. Don't look a little bit where this bad.
Then Bob and Bunny. A Bunny are the singer, you know.
Bunny.
A Bunny are the singer, you know.
Bob was the lead singer.
No. You know, you must say to you. Bunny is the singer. If you notice most, Bob is a messenger, you know. If you notice the most of Bob man, you can't dance to them, you know, you have to just listen to them and rap to them. Bunny is the singer. Yeah. Bunny Wheelers are the singer.
Oh, what
You know, talk where people tell me big man, my experience, you know. Things, you know. Yeah, man. Believe me.
Yeah.
Real man, then a Bunny are the singer, a Bunny Wheelers are the singer. But if you notice, most of Bob music, you cannot dance to them, you know. If you notice, you have to just sit back and listen to them. Time is a messenger, he come with a message. Bunny are the rubber dub singer.